What we have here is a 52-inch antique brass Sears turn-of-the-century style ceiling fan. Manufactured by CEI Compass East Industries back in 1987. What's unusual about this fan is that it is a 10-speed fan, electrically reversible, 5-blade. Blades seem to be in a teak finish, tight weave cane, pointed tip. Blades are warped, but appears to have a 12-degree blade pitch. Fan is flush mounted. Could also be installed on a down rod. And let's see here. There's the information sticker there on the top. If it'll focus on it. Probably will never focus, but there it is. And on the other side is a bit more information regarding the date code and what have you. So yeah, the fan uses a 12-position rotary cluck knob. Typical slide reversing switch there. No on and off pull chain. That crook knob services the whole fan. So very unique design. I'm not sure how long Sears sold these for. Maybe a couple years. I believe they also offered a variable speed version as well. So let's go ahead and jump in and get started. Of course, this is speed number 1, which is lowest speed. Pretty quiet. The fan does have some dry bearings, so they do make a little bit of noise. Nothing too serious as of yet. But the speeds on the fan are controlled with a speed coil crammed within that switch housing. And for being a 10-speed fan, low speed is around average. A little bit below average. Go to speed number 2. Now you probably recall that I have another one of these. This one I just picked up from Marketplace today. It was only 15 bucks. I was going to be in the area where it was at anyway, so I said, why not? Even though I have another one of these identical, same finish and all. But these are scarce enough, cheap enough, so figured I'd scoop it up. So low speed here is about more or less an average low. Or second speed, rather. Take it to speed number 3. Motor inside this fan is a 153 by 20, I believe. It's a pretty tall 153 motor. So, pretty decent performer. Speed number 4. Yeah, I think the speed range on this fan could be a little bit better. You know, in the lower end of the spectrum, rather. more aesthetic low speeds on the first 2 speeds, and third speeds more normal low, than going on up from there. That's my only gripe about these. Other than that, they're pretty unique. Speed number 5. Blades on the fan are warped. Being flush mounted, it doesn't really cause a wobble at all, but just putting that out there. Speed number 6. Speed 7. Speed number 8. One blade on this fan is actually more warped than the other 4. So you hear that kind of whoosh, 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 whoosh sound as the fan moves. Seems like, I believe the fan, when it was taken down, the blades weren't taken off, so probably sat in a place where it warped one of the blades more than the other 4, so it is what it is. The brackets are still in alignment. Speed number 9. And speed number 10. So these ADCI products are pretty decent performers. This one is no different. There's a pretty decent amount of air, even flush mounted. Pretty quiet. Like I said, it has a slight bearing noise, but definitely can't be heard on the high speed or over the wind noise. But pretty nice fan overall. Let it shut off. And there you have it, folks. There was the 52-inch Sears turn of the century style ceiling fan made by CEI in 1987. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like always, stay cool. Take care. Peace.